Is your social media content converting to paid customers or clients? When it comes to social media, there's a few key points that you want to make sure that your social media posts are hitting. One of them being the customer pain points. What are the problems that your audience is experiencing or having that your product or service could solve? So you're not going into this just talking about your products, your services, but you're talking about their pain points. You're talking about those problems. And a part of that is key point number 2 would be building that know, like, trust factor. And if you've done any in-person networking, this is like number 1 rule. People want to do business with people they know, like, and trust. And if they find you online, they meet you in person, they see your ad, I guarantee they are going to go to your social media accounts and see what you're talking about. And if your content nails their pain point, you have a better chance of them wanting to do business with you. They want to make sure that you are educating them and that you are trustworthy rather than just selling something, because people don't really want to be sold. They want their problems to be fixed. They want to have a solution, but they don't want to feel like they're being sold. And so key point number 3 is include strategic calls to action. So maybe if you are feeling this way, or if you've dealt with this problem, what is a way that you have been able to help solve it? Ask them for their advice. And then as you continue to build your social media strategy, you can then mention your services that address that pain point or your products. Client testimonials is another great way to be able to showcase what you have done or what your product has done, because this builds that trust factor. This is also why it's important to have paid and organic strategies when it comes to your social media marketing, because that organic piece really does build the trust, and the paid piece is able to get you in front of an audience that may not know who you are yet. So that's the importance of having organic and paid. And obviously, key point number 5, you want to make sure that you are tracking what matters. So don't worry about follower count. Don't worry about, the likes. You want to make sure that you are paying attention to your website traffic, your engagement, your lead form submissions. Make sure you have these things laid out so you can see what is working and what's not working. If you need help putting those strategies in place, I'm here to help you.